Okay, guys, one of the things that Clay and I have encountered is we hate going out to eat, which is funny because I used to go out to eat for almost every single meal. Well, growing up, and not necessarily growing up, my parents used to take us out to eat like almost every night because they had a business and it was just easier at the end of the night, like maybe like midnight. They would actually wake me up out of bed when I was still in high school to go out to eat with them because they didn't want to leave kids home alone. Not that we were doing anything, they just, that's what they did. So, anyway, I went out to eat all the time then, and then I got to the point where I hated going out to eat because every time I'd look at someone, it's like, let's go out to eat. So, anyway, one nice thing is Clay went to chef school, so we found that we'd almost rather cook at home instead of going out to eat, except for maybe Chinese and fish, which are two of my favorite things that we go out for. But anyway, that being said, we have an just a little cooker, and every once in a while we get an anchoring, so to speak, for fried food. And so this is just chicken wings and fries. And what's nice is we can both make it the way we like it. So, I mean, I cook for Clay, but like I like mine a little bit more crispy. He doesn't like his crispy. But if you're home right now and you've kind of given up on going out to eat, one nice thing is you can, if you don't already have an air fryer, you can get one, or if you want, you can just use a pan of oil. You just have to watch when you have children to always keep that fryer way back. But you can make some really great fried food just sitting at home. Not that fried is good for you, but once in a while we all want a special treat. And then I put ranch dressing with mine, and he'll usually use ketchup, or he'll use like Ortega sauce, like it's like a salsa Mexican flavoring that he loves. But I wanted to share this little tip with you in case you want to go out to eat and you haven't been going out to eat and you just want to do something special. It's just so simple. We just get the great value chicken strips and the great value fries, and you can have a takeout meal at home and watch a good movie and feel like you did something. And just do it as a treat. Don't eat fried food a lot, just once in a great while, and it kind of makes you feel like you got to go out to a restaurant and didn't pay the high price, had the fun of sitting and watching a movie and the entertainment while you're cooking. And then everybody can just chip in for the dishes, or one person can chip in alone and watch a good movie on their phone or whatever while they clean up. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.